I just posted a video that I want you guys to look at because this is absolutely insane that TikTok has given me my videos from a year ago that I can grab and post. So I just want you guys to watch, and I love this because it will show you guys that I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So when I first started affiliate marketing, I'm now a digital marketer, but when I first started affiliate marketing, I was told to go over to ClickBank and grab a product and promote that product without showing my face, and I was going to actually make like $10,000, $20,000 in 2 weeks. That didn't happen. But what I love about this video is because it has me going over to ClickBank and grabbing the product all about smoothies, how to make smoothies. And so I was showing you guys, I was demonstrating this on my computer, but I really had no idea what I was doing. But let me tell you what you can do with that, because now I get it, because I've been doing this for a long time and everything's like, it's all here right now. Yeah, I think it's actually hilarious. But guys, let's say you love to cook. Let's say you're in health and fitness. Let's say you love smoothies and you make smoothies all the freaking time, right? You can actually create videos on how to do these smoothies and teach people how to do that. Then you can go over to ClickBank, right? And grab that product, and then you can make a funnel and upload it into your profile, and you can actually market that product. But you're not going to lead with that product, and you're not just going to be like, hey, let me go over to ClickBank and create a funnel around these smoothies and then throw it over into my profile and never show my face and never talk or never share any value, and it's going to sell and I'm going to make $20,000 in 2 weeks. No. But what I'm telling you is, once you learn the skill, and I learned the skill through Learn and Earn Profits, the digital course that educates you how to build a business online. When you learn that skill, then you realize not only can you go over to ClickBank and grab a product and add it to what you're already doing and create an additional stream of income, but you can actually go over to Canva and create your own digital product that teaches people something. I don't care what it's about. Whatever you're an expert in, you can teach people how to do it. Put it in a guide, put it in an email, or wait, what? Ebook, and then put a price tag on it and load it up into your profile and talk about it. Educate people, teach them how to do something, and then people will come to you and want what you have to offer because you're the expert. Guys, this is like mind-blowing right now to me, and I'm so freaking pumped up over all of this because I now know the skill because I took the right training.